Hello, this is me, Diyar Albay. This is probably my first video where I'm actually talking to the camera. Today we're in Garas Sokhol. It's a village. It's my dad's village in southeastern Turkey. I don't know if it's southeastern, but yeah, it's basically my dad's village in South Turkey, and so yeah, we came here to collect something. It looks like a plant or something. I don't know what it's called in English, but yeah, so look at the mountains over there. You got some nice mountains. You got some trees. Mountains, trees, and this is the pathway that the tractors have done. And yeah, the sun is out and bright. It's really, really hot. Not too hot, not as hot as Mersin, but still pretty hot. Is my dad coming? And so yeah, we're walking. Ne alacaktık yine?
Kekik.
Kekik. Something called kekik. It's like a plant. Bitki mi o?
Evet.
It's a plant called the kekik. I don't know the English version of it, but it's called the kekik.
Dağları çek baba.
Yeah, it's called the kekik.
Bırakan kaçtı da.
Yeah, this used to be my dad's village, but now it's all destroyed and there are barely any houses left in the village anymore. Like, it's been destroyed a long time ago. And yeah, it's been destroyed a long time ago, and there was only this one hut in the village left, and that one my cousins Süleyman and my uncle Abidin used to come, but now due to circumstances they're not there anymore. So they're in Göksun now. There's a little town called Göksun. They're in Göksun now. So they're not in that hut anymore. But so yeah, the sky is nice and blue, and there are geckos. I can see some geckos on the floor sometimes. Yeah. So, and there's some little yellow daisies here. I think you can see. I don't know. Are these daisies? Yeah, I think they are. They look like something like that. There's nice flowers. Yeah, Turkey is a beautiful country. It has some deserts, some forests, all different kinds of biomes. Turkey has all different kinds of biomes. So, yeah. I wonder where we can find the kekik. Baba, kekikler nerede? Ne? Nani? I don't think there's any kekik around here. Ne dedin baba? What did you say? Oh, here they are.
Bak yolmuşlar görüyor musun gösteren?
Yeah.
Bak yolmuşlar.
Sorry, my dad's swearing a lot.
Bak yolmuşlar diye.
Yolmuşlar. The mountain of proof. Oh, yeah, these mountains are beautiful, man. See, this the kekik right here. I wonder what they're called in English. I really do not know.
Bıçak lazım mı dedi, bıçak lazım değil. Bıçağına yapmışlar.
Yeah. That's my t-shirt over there. Yeah, I'm actually half naked. I only got my trousers, my pants on. I only got my pants on. Otherwise, I'm really, like, I don't know if you can see. I only got, yeah. Yeah, we're both like Gray Buster from Fairy Tale, basically. And we're gonna put the kikik in this piece of bag. The weather is beautiful. The weather is beautiful as well. It's nice and sunny. Weather is nice and sunny. Look at those trees, man. Bro, look at those trees. Sorry, I just love nature a lot. I just love nature. So yeah. My name is Diad Albay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Diad Albay. And I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.